everyone. Hi, good morning. This is BISDAK caregiver and a health worker, also a frontliner. Alright, I'm getting off from my work, even though we have a winter storm. I'm on my way going home. So, my goodness, it's difficult to travel when this kind of nasty weather, you know. I'm taking an Uber, private car, you know. So yeah, look how nasty it is. Very nasty. Weather is too bad. This is the life of frontliners, you know, caregivers, or let's say health workers. I belong to the health workers, so yeah, this is our life. Even though the weather is bad, we have to, you know, travel, going in and going out. It's not easy, you know, it's not easy. I feel like I'm a soldier of not a fortune, or a soldier of fortune, I guess. I don't know how to say it. Right, Kim?
Yes, yes.
We're a frontliner.
Yeah,
So we are serving people. We serve Americans, you know. I serve Americans, that's why. You can call me a hero. I've been a hero from Kuwait. I was there in a war, serving Kuwaiti people, you know. And now here I am serving Americans, you know. I'm also serving Americans now. So how can you call me? How do you call me? Am I still a living hero, right? You're a living hero. I'm proud of that. Because I'm really traveling in a winter storm. You see the road, so nasty the road, and the water, the snow is still falling. This is until tomorrow, right? It's gonna be until tomorrow. This weather is still until tomorrow. So I am the BISDAK caregiver, and listen to my voice. Before I'm OFW, serving many people in a war. So look at that. I need to travel for I think that is 35 to 45 minutes going to my apartment where I live. So it is too bad outside. It is. I need to run slowly because the road must be slippery. It's really hard for us, but what can we do? We need to work. We need to go outside. Okay. Sorry about the weather, it's too bad. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So cold, freezing outside. Okay, bye for now. Please subscribe, follow, share my channel. Thank you guys. Love you all.